Good morning, YouTubers. This is JD with Keezy Living Outdoor Adventures. Since we are still in a pandemic lockdown and a couple viewers requested to see the types of stoves that I use when we're outdoors camping or car camping or anything like that, I decided to go ahead and do a quick video on some of the stuff that we use. So this is primarily I use these when obviously there's no means to make a fire. Fires are prohibited, and we just need to go out. We're going out for a day hike, maybe a breakfast, you know, to heat up some Mountain House skillets or breakfast skillet, things like that, for that require boiling water, and or some coffee or tea or anything like that. You know, pretty much, you know, we can quickly boil some water and so forth. So let me get into this real quick. Obviously, you know, you saw my other videos. I use the clean canteen, so forth, whenever needed. The fuel that I use for the alcohol stoves is heat. I find that heat works really good, like most other people, if you look at YouTube videos. I do transport the heat in this is really a Miller Lite aluminum bottle. I paint it red, you know, to signify danger. Works really good. I've used it for years. Fill it up, seals good. It's a little more protective than the heat bottle. And then obviously, you know, at the Tangia, you can store some fuel in the Tangia. That's what I like about the Tangia. So this is kind of one setup right here. Another setup obviously is your standard little this is like an MSR knockoff, Chinese knockoff for the pocket rocket. It has an igniter. These are like $10 on Amazon. I've had this one for a couple years, just usually really as a spare. Obviously you'll tie it up, and you know, and you can do that. The other one here is the firebox. This kind of pretty much go together. You can use this with the fire, right? It's in here. I'm not going to get into it because there are enough YouTube videos that'll cover it. I have this one set up with some matches and a lighter and stuff to make a little fire. The Tangia will obviously sit right inside, and you can do that. So this is another one of the kits that I will take out, you know, in combinations. Maybe take these two together. I can obviously take this one. This is the system, my cooking system that I use in my ultralight backpack. This is a Snow Peak. I think it's a 24-ounce titanium pot. This is the MSR pocket rocket. This is my favorite. To me, this works, serves all its purpose. I've never had an issue with it. This is what I use. This is the stand for the base, but this is what I use. You know, I'll carry some of these little lip things for drinking directly from there. Works for me, serves out all around. So, you know, this is my backpack. Another one that I recently got this year just to test it out, kind of the, you know, obviously similar to the Tangia, is the ever new stove here. This works really good. You could use fire on it. Works really good, actually. I like it. So this is another kit that I can just, it's pretty much, I have it set up here standalone with its base and everything. I can just grab this and go. So that works. And then the last one is this International Whisper Light. This I've had for almost 30 years. It's just worked awesome for years. It's my original, you know, charge it up. Has never failed to work. It's a little heavier obviously than the other stuff. But to this day, this thing works great. And like I said, I've had it for probably 30 years and I'll never get rid of it. It's always worked for me. So anyway, this is just a quick little glimpse of our stuff. You know, I'm not going to demonstrate anything right now, but you know, there's enough YouTube videos out there, like I said. Hope you like it. If you do like it and you want to see more of this content, please let me know. This is JD, Keezy Living Outdoors. Go out there, enjoy the adventures, have a great time, stay safe. Keezy Living out.